Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. So we are at CVS and I'm gonna grab my list and see what we can put together. Okay guys, I'm picking up 2 of the ladies speed stick at 2 for $5.50. I'm gonna use 2 of these 50-cent coupons. I have a 2 off of 2 CRT. I'm gonna pay $2.50, get $2 back, making them 50 cents for 2. Okay guys, the Hydro Silk touch up at my store, it's $5.99. I'm gonna use this $4 paper coupon and I have a $2 CRT, making it completely free. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the You Buy Kotex deal. It's buy one, get one 50% off, and when you spend $20, you get $5 back. I'm picking up 4 at $6.79. They went to the back to get me some. And I'm gonna use these $4 coupons, and there's a $4 digital. I have a 5 off of 15 CRT. I'm gonna pay $3.37, and I'm gonna get $5 back, making it free on a $1.63 moneymaker. Okay guys, I'm picking up 1 of the monofoil, and at my store it's $9.79. There are no coupons for this, but when you purchase 1, you get a $9 extra care buck, making it just 79 cents for 1. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the spend 20, get 5 back. I'm picking up 4 of the Tide Pods at $4.94. That's $19.76. I'm gonna use 4 of these $3 paper coupons. 1, I'm gonna scan 1 product, scan the coupon. After everything comes off, that's $12 in coupons. I'm gonna pay $7.76, get $5 back, making it just $2.76 for all 4. Okay guys, so I'm doing the exact same deal on my other card, but I'm picking up the gain instead. It's gonna be $19.76. I'm gonna use 4 of these $3 coupons. I'm gonna pay $7.76, get $5 back, making it $2.76 for all 4. Okay guys, so the music was super loud. I'm picking up 1 of these baby powder at $2.59. I have a $2 CRT for $2 off any baby care wash and toiletries, which is gonna make it just 59 cents. Okay guys, so this is my hair care deal. I do not have the Love Beauty in my insert, so I'm picking up 2 of the L'Oreal. It's 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you get $3 back. The Garnier, they're both 2 for $7. So everything here is $22. I have a 4 for $20 hair care CRT. I'm gonna use this $3 paper coupon, a $3 paper coupon. There's a $2 instant coupon, and each one has a $1 digital. So I'm gonna pay $7. I'll get $3 back, making them $4, and they also track towards beauty. Now, if you have the $3 L'Oreal coupon, you can use that and it will be free for you. Okay guys, so I'm picking up 2 of the Cetaphil. There's no extra buck back, but it's buy 1, get 1 40% off. So I'm picking up 1 of the Gentle Skin Cleaner at $9.79 and 1 of the Daily Facial Cleaner, and 40% off is $5.87. For both, it's gonna be $15.66. I have a 3 off of 15 Cetaphil and 5 off of 2. I'm gonna pay $7.66. I'll get $6 back on Ibotta, $3 each, making it just $1.66 each. Now, there is a 6 off of 2 coupon that I cannot find. If you use that, it's going to be a moneymaker for you. Okay guys, so I'm doing the Neutrogena deal. It's buy 2, get $6 back. I'm picking up 2 of the wipes at $7.29. I have no manufacturer coupons. It's $14.58. I have a $4 CRT, $2 CRT, and a $3 CRT. I'm going to pay $5.58, getting $6 back, making it free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, I'm picking up 2 of the Copper Tone at $9.99. That's going to be $19.98. I'm going to use 1 of these 5 off of 2. There's a $2 digital, and I have a 3 off of 15. I'm going to pay $9.98, getting $10 back, making them completely free. Okay guys, I did not go through the CoverGirl deal. It's buy 2, get a $6 extra care buck. I picked up 1 at $6.79 and 1 at $7.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons, 1 paper and 1 digital. I had a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl, and I used a $5 extra buck. I paid 78 cents and I got $6 back. So let me show you that receipt. So that's the 2 CoverGirl, the 2 coupons, my 3 off of 15. I used a $5 extra bucks. I paid 78 cents plus taxes, and I got back a $6 extra buck. Okay guys, the next thing is the gold emblem. I did that on both of my cards. There's a CRT for $2 for any item free up to $2. So I picked up one of those, and it's $1.59. The coupon came off, no problems, no taxes, and it was completely free. Okay, so next is the Airheads. I picked up 4. This is that receipt. I had a 2 off of 8 CRT. It's buy one, get one 50% off at $2.79. I had a 2 off of 8 candy CRT. I just paid the $6.35 because I was walking out the store and I was like, oh, I forgot my candy. $3 back from CVS and $3 back on Ibotta, 75 cents for each one, making it just 35 cents for all 4. Okay, so let me show you my receipt for the U by Kotex and the Copper Tone. I had to do that by itself because the $4 coupon keeps getting kicked out. So this is that receipt, the $4 coupon, the $4 Kotex came off. My $5 for the Copper Tone, $2 for the Copper Tone. That was the digital. My 5 off of 15 Kotex, my 3 off of 12 Copper Tone. I used $13 in extra care bucks and I paid 92 cents. And I got back $15. 5 for the Kotex, 10 for the Copper Tone. So that was completely free and a moneymaker. Okay, so I just noticed that I did not record the Revlon either. So the Revlon, I picked up 3 of the lips at $5.49 and 1 of the pencils right here at $8.79. So for everything here is $25.26. I used a 5 off of 25 CRT. I also had a $4 Revlon CRT, I think from last week. I can't even remember because I didn't screenshot it either. I used these expired coupons for the lips, this one for the eye. I paid $7.26 and I got $10 back, making it free and a $2.74 moneymaker. And it also tracks towards beauty. So I have $25 tracking for beauty, which makes it a bigger moneymaker. Now, my other card, I did not have that $4 CRT, so I picked up 2 of the baby lips. They are $5.49. I used 2 of these $2 paper coupons. I had a 3 off of 9 CRT. I paid $3.98 and I got $5 back, making them free as well and a $1.02 moneymaker. Okay guys, so final numbers. Everything here was completely free and a $10.95 moneymaker. But since I made so much money purchasing everything else, I picked up 2 of the Downy right here, and they're on clearance at my store for $7.89. I used Focus 2 of these right here, bring it down to $4.89. So after everything comes off, it's $1.17 moneymaker. That's not including my beauty bucks that I'll receive in 48 hours. And I have a bunch of stuff qualifying for beauty. I have the Cetaphil, the Neutrogena, the Revlon, CoverGirl, as well as all of the hair care. So at least $9 back in beauty, or 6. I'm gonna just say 6, but I know I'm way over 6. So everything was free and a $1.17 moneymaker, not including my beauty bucks. So let me show you my receipt really quickly. My receipts are so long. There's the Downy with the 50% off. Everything came off, and I had a 10 off of 70. That's what makes this deal so sweet. Taxes are so high. This is everything. Everything came off, and I got back everything I was supposed to get back. And my store, they are amazing. They make sure, like, I don't leave unless I get everything. So, yeah. Let me show you the Garnier. They glitched as well. I used the paper coupons, and they came off. Everything came off. and it was 83 cents plus tax. Like, look at how much taxes was more than my amount. Ridiculous. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.